Ronaldo. Oh, great skills by Ronaldo, twisting and turning away from Steve. Macaulay makes a run, in comes Macaulay! And another European giant begins. Postiga and Gareth Macaulay just coming together. Oh, Postiga's gone! Postiga is off! The referee deciding there will be no nonsense here. Bouncing around in our penalty box, and a header cuts in, and the ball is squeezed in, and it's Jimmy Ward on the line, and almost unbelievably done. Alves makes the run, but it wasn't Alves. It wasn't Alves. Guess who it was? It was Cristiano Ronaldo, the heartbreaker. Trau gets the ball in on the ground, goes up. Ronaldo's there again.